I'm excited that my higher power allowed me to see this new day. I woke up and I'm excited. I'm excited about what's to come.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nika, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. If you are a returning fly babe, welcome back to my channel. Y'all know what it is. It's fly babe. Don't worry about this little empty picture frame. I still ain't found nothing to put in it. If you are returning and you're not a subscriber, not really sure what you're waiting for, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, push that post notification bell so you do not miss when I drop that new heat. And we gonna get right into it, okay? So, Boxy charm. We are unboxing our Boxy charm this month. This is August, and what is this? It's called Spa Clamping Sunbathe Yoga Slumber. I don't know, normally they have like a name to it, but I guess it's like the summer edition. All right, so we're gonna start right in with the Glam Glow Moisture Strip Omega Rich Face Moisturizer. It's a lightweight anti-redness moisturizer with omega rich cannabis stevia seed oil that helps calm irritation, relieve visible redness, and optimize skin's barrier defenses against environmental assault. This soothing formula with hyaluronic acid is proven to hydrate all day and prevent instant relief for skin stress. This retails for $54. This box, if you're not familiar with BoxyCharm, you get 5 full-size products for the price of like $26.88. So right there, I ain't got my money's worth. And I did use this right before this video when I cleansed my face. I did use it. I will say it's really, I think I'm gonna like it. I think I'm going to like it here. But it's green. I don't know if that picks up, but it's green. That green helps cancel out redness. Not that I really have any redness, but like if I do have a pimple, I guess that would be fine. But I like how it felt on the skin. It wasn't too heavy. It did moisturize it. So I thought that was nice. We're gonna see how I like it, you know, as I wear it. So the next is Tresic. I think that's how you pronounce it. Tresic Summer Glow and Go Set. This here is a must-have mini set to get your perfect summer glow in a petite mini crayons. This mini set features the best-selling shades of the highlight stick, blush stick, brow pencil, and shadow crayon. The ultimate on-the-go set for your summer adventures. So yeah, this was a summer box. This retails for $42. So in here, it has a mini highlight stick. I like that. That's super, like, I think that's super cool. And we're gonna do a look and use these here. Yeah, I like that. So that was 42 bucks. The next is the Clarins Velvet Lip Protector. This retails for $26. This Clarins best-selling natural lip perfectors go bold with a new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a high pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect. Formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. $26. And it comes in one of those, I did open this beforehand, but it comes in one of these tubes, and it has that top. So we will see how that is. This is in the color Velvet Red. The next is the Morphe I Got the Brush Set. This is an eye brush set. I love the name. Get it? I Got the Brush Set. This is brush set for your eyes. Everything you need to achieve an eye look. Oh, these babes. Just the 4 natural and synthetic eye brushes you need to pull off all the gorgeous looks. Go on and give them a swipe. Collection includes an oval shadow brush, pro firm blending crease brush, a tapered mini blending brush, and then an angled liner brush. This retails for $12. So we will use that. And last but not least, we have Real Her The finer brow pencil, it's I Am Strong. Again, I am strong. Get it? Anyways, this long-lasting micro tip pencil allows you to create individual-like hairs for a subtle or bold brow look. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on the skin. This waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life. This retails for $16. Now let me just take a look here because, yeah, this one had a brow pencil too, so which one we're gonna use, I don't really know. But let's just go ahead and start. This mini brow pencil is in the shade Americano. Guess we'll figure out which one is closest to my shade. This one is one of those tilted pencils. That's actually not bad. And then let's check out this Real Her. So again, if you like this box, I can leave my link in the description for you so you can check it out. Okay, so this one is the Real Her and this one is the Tritique. So the Tritique is a more of a darker brown. So I think we're gonna go ahead and use that one. Just gonna brush out these hers. I need to do my brows because they are all over the place. So I honestly like how this is filling them in like natural hair brows, brow hairs. It's a perfect shade. And then we're gonna use the Real Her on the other brow. I honestly, I don't spend a lot of time on my brows because I like, I just like them natural. So I just follow the natural shape and I just fill them in. I love this one because it's more precise to get those hair-like strokes. And it's really smooth. Wasn't that something they said it was? It said the creamy wax formula. Okay, okay. Check it out. This is gonna be just a real little wham bam thank you, ma'am. All right, so now that we got the brows on, I'm going to do a look without putting on foundation. Well, I'm gonna try because my face is like broken out, so. But it's clearing up, if y'all can notice. I have been using some products that are natural. I will be doing a morning routine for you guys soon so I can show you what products I have been using, and it has been clearing up my skin. Now, I haven't even been using it that long, so we shall see what it's gonna look like soon. So I'm just trying to color correct. And this is just my Morphe, what brush is this? I really like this brush. It was the Jaclyn Hill CH808. And it like gets perfect under there. It's like a dome. Smaller brush. And that concealer I used was the LA Girl. I forgot how much I like those concealers. Like, I really stopped using it. That's in the shade Warm Honey. I really, like I said, forgot how much I like those concealers. And baby. So for the most part, it conceals really good. But this is another alternative to not putting on any foundation. You can use a BB cream, a tinted moisturizer. That's when your skin is popping, okay? Or to each his own. Like me, I'm do what I want because I'm popping. Okay, take my Morphe bronzer, and this is in Fantabulous, and I'm just gonna bronze up my face just to bring some color back to my skin, or to look sun-kissed, I should say, because I never had color. You know, a girl can dream, right? Okay, so just enough. You see, that's very natural round. Okay, so back to our Tracique here. We have a blush stick, so we are going to use the blush that is in Moroccan Rose, this shade here. So I'm just gonna apply it and then I'll blend it out. It's very light, so perfect for the look that we're doing, you know what I mean? Like very natural, very subtle, just, you know, just to have something. Okay, and then we have the highlight stick. We just gonna add it to the high points. Our nose and our chin a little bit. And then we're gonna blend it out. Oof, that was really, like, that's really pretty. It's very, very subtle. And again, remember, we do not have on any foundation. So I'm going to take my Becca setting powder and just lightly set the face. I'm gonna use a big powder brush. And because we did use concealer, we do want to set it. Okay. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and apply some concealer to the eye, just so we can go ahead and apply our eyeshadow. Guess what? We need to use our Morphe brush set. So we're gonna take this brush here. This one should be the blending. It doesn't even have the name on it, does it? Nope. But this one is the Pro Firm Blending Crease Brush, but I'm just gonna blend out that concealer. And on our Tracique, we have the mini eyeshadow crayon. This is in the shade Tahitian Summer. And then we're just going to blend that out. It's like a bronzy, I want to say like a gray almost, but it's like a bronze color. And then I'm going to take that bronzer into my crease. This brush is definitely firm. They did not lie about that. I was gonna say, whoa, it doesn't even want to move the product around. Okay. Then I'm just going to take this next brush, which is the oval shadow brush, and take a brown liner and smoke out the under eye. I like smoking out the under eye, so I love a smoke. Okay. And we will take the angled liner brush. You can also use this for your brows. They are calling it a liner brush. I'm not going to use an eyeliner. I'm going to use a black shadow to just line very close to my lash line. Again, that's just bringing some smoke to the top, and I'm gonna just drag it out. We'll go back in with that oval brush and just smoke it a little bit more. We are going to go ahead with the lip. And it said it was a, what color is this? Velvet red, so it's a red shade. It's very smooth. I'm scared to squeeze it. I definitely love how smooth it is though. And there you have it. As always, I hope you guys like it. Why don't you join the Fly Babes crew? Go ahead, crown yourself and join us. Hit that subscribe button, push that post notification bell. And you know my motto, it has not changed. Slay, be beautiful, and arrive and leave your stamp.